What controversy is surrounding the viral Lexington church video from July 2026? This video shook the internet, but the truth behind it is far more complex and surprising than you might expect. The July 2026 Lexington church video captured a tense moment during a service. It features a vocal disagreement between church members and a guest speaker, leading to an emotional uproar. The video's rapid spread online fueled intense public debate, drawing viewers from across the nation. People questioned what really happened, as the short clip seemed to show conflicting perspectives. This viral moment became a flashpoint for discussions on community, beliefs, and respect. Critics argue the viral clip was edited selectively to portray one group negatively. Supporters of the church say important context was left out, skewing public perception. Others claim the video was manipulated to inflame division and misunderstandings. This raised questions about media ethics and the responsibility of sharing viral content without verifying facts. The controversy became a case study on how quickly misinformation can spread from a brief video snippet. In Lexington, the video's impact went beyond online debates. Community leaders called for calm and understanding, emphasizing dialogue over division. The church hosted forums to discuss the issues raised and promote healing. This response showed how a viral controversy can also lead to positive engagement when people focus on listening and empathy. It highlighted the power of community to overcome conflict sparked by viral content. The Lexington church video controversy teaches us to be cautious about viral content. Always seek full context before forming opinions, especially on emotional topics. It reminds us how easily misinformation can spread and damage reputations or relationships. By promoting media literacy and thoughtful sharing, we can reduce harm and foster more informed discussions online. This viral moment is a powerful example of digital age challenges. The viral Lexington church video controversy shows how a single moment can ignite widespread debate and reveal the power of media influence. Remember to question what you see online and seek the full story. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and stay curious about the world around you.